What's up guys, Davies here. It's been a long while. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to download stuffs from torrent websites. Alright, I'm going to be walking you guys through the different steps on how to achieve that. Alright, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified whenever I drop new content. Alright, let's get into this video. So first up, you need to install the Utorrent app. Just hop into your Google Play Store and install that real quick. Mine is already installed. And secondly, what you need is your VPN app in order to have a safe connection so you will not be tracked. What I use is Turbo VPN. It's free, it's very good to use, okay? And thirdly, what you need is your browser. You can use any browser of your choice, but what I normally use is my Google Chrome. It's very fast and secure. Okay, so when you're done installing those 3 essential apps, I want you to hop onto your VPN app. Whatever VPN app you're using, just connect to a server. You can connect to the one at USA. There are a lot, but the one I'm going to use today is the one at Germany for safe browsing, so you'll not be tracked. Okay. Alright, so I want you to go to your browser, any browser you're using, and type this torrent website. It's called torrentz with a Z. Alright, it's a search engine for mainly TV series. This website is for mainly TV series, but though I'm going to be laying hands on the other ones you can use to download other things like software, movies and all that, but this particular website is mainly for TV series. Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating. I'm going to be downloading MoneyHeist today. You can see it's a lot of links are there. I want you to click on the one that favors you, and when you click on that, it's going to take you to another page. And when you get to this page, all I want you to do is to find the magnet button right there. See right there, when you click it, it's going to redirect you to the Utorrent app, and when it redirects you to the Utorrent app, it's going to automatically download. Alright, so this second website is called YTS. YTS is a website that deals mainly on movies. You can download movies up to 4K here. It's kind of crazy. You can also download 720p, there are 1080p movies here, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm going to be trying to download Bloodshot today to demonstrate how to download from this website. Alright, all you just need to do is to click on the quality of movie you would like to watch, and it's going to download it, and when it's done, it's going to redirect you to the Utorrent app, and from there it's downloading. Right, very easy. Right, Probably is another powerful torrent website. The only difference about this one is that it has all the categories. It deals on movies, the websites, games, and almost literally everything you're looking for is right there. So I'm going to still be demonstrating with MoneyHeist. I'm going to be downloading MoneyHeist for you guys to see. As you can see, those are the results. What you have to do is to click there, and just like I said, the first place, anywhere you see that magnet, just click the magnet. It's going to redirect you to the Utorrent app, and boom, it's downloaded. Thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel please, and I'll catch you back in the next video.